We're looking to find the limit of this mess right here, which has all kinds of things stuck in it. Square roots, fractions, all that jazz. So the first thing that we do every time we get to this is we try plugging in the number that we're going to. And I'm going to put this in parentheses. We'll see why in just a little bit. A lot of times when we do that, we find out that the answer is not what we want it to be. So we get square root of 1 minus square root of 1, which is 0 over 0, and that's just a plain old bad thing. So we can't proceed on that manner. However, the fact that we have 0 over 0 is a good thing because it allows us a tool that we want to use called Pital's rule. When you have 0 over 0, when we take our limit, we can take the derivative of the numerator and the derivative of the denominator of a fraction like this, and we are going to get the same solution. So we're going to take we'll start with the denominator because that's the easy one. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of the numerator. Now remember here, on a side note, right, remember what this is right here. This is 1 plus x to the 1/2 power. So we're going to think of it that way when we take our derivative. We're going to take that power 1/2 down. We are going to subtract 1 to get our new power, so it's going to be negative 1/2. And because we have more than just an x there, we have to multiply by the derivative of the inside bit, which is this 1 plus x. Now the derivative of 1 plus x is just 1, so that's going to be okay for this first part. In the second one, we're going to do the same thing. We take that 1/2 down. We have 1 minus x to the negative 1/2. The big difference here is the derivative of our inside for our second term here is going to be a negative 1 because of that negative x. And that's going to be crucial here because that is going to allow us to get the solution that we need. Now remember, when you have double negatives, negative, negative turns into a positive. So that's going to be addition now, which makes our lives so much better. All right, we can rewrite this. We are going to get the limit as x goes to 0. Instead of writing that over 1, we're going to ignore because we can. And the other stuff, the 1/2, let's write this all out as a fraction. 1/2 and x to the negative 1/2, we're going to think that as a square root in our denominator. Because remember, when we have x to the negative a, we can rewrite that as 1 over x to the a. So this is a nice algebraic tool that we can use all the time. Super great to have. Our double negative turns into a positive, plus 1 over 2 square root of 1 minus x. And now, once again, we can plug in our limit. We want to get this to 0, so 2 square root of 1 plus 0 plus 1 over 2 square root 1 minus 0. So this is going to give us 1/2 plus 1/2, because the square root of 1 is equal to 1. And our solution is 1. That's a lovely little problem with some good algebra tools that we can practice. Thank you for listening.